Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how I turn this monthly data on here into weekly data like this. So obviously, if you turn your monthly data into weekly, you could not find very smoothly since it's just the approximate. I mean, it's just the somehow it's really just calculating for from the average. So let's get it on. I'll just duplicate the data. So this is the data. I will start it for you. Okay, firstly, I have to calculate the daily target in average. So I mean the daily monthly. On this case, I show you the sales target, for instance. So here I put daily target. And then I have to divide the sales target to count of day on this specific month, this particular month. So if you want to be simple, you just divide by 30. But if you want to be more accurate, what you have to do, the C2 divide into open the bracket, you type in EOM or end of month, and then you put the month, the B2, and then comma 0. This is will generate, it will return the date of end of January. And then you minus EO month, same month, but the offset or the month is you just type in -1, which is means the previous month's date. See, the result is 31st of December 2023. So I close the bracket and then hit the enter. I have the average of daily target of every single month. After that, I will put the reference point here. I just name it month and then use the formula of month and then the actual month. So it just returned the number of the month. And then on the right here, I have to generate the daily target for every single date on these years. So for instance, I will put date and then daily target. And then here, of course, 2024, 1st of January, and then I put +1, the offset for every single day. So I will drag it until the end of the year. Up. Okay, just a little bit more. Got it. Now I have date from the 1st of January until 31st of December on 2024. And then here I will use VLOOKUP. You just VLOOKUP. The reference point or the search key is month, the date, which is will return the month of the date, the number of the month, and then close the bracket. And then of course the range, you put the table on the left. Don't forget the absolute. Press F4 on your keyboard and then comma, and then the index, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. Close the bracket, hit the enter, and then press Ctrl and Enter to auto fill until the end of the year. So now I have the daily data, the time series. Now I want to aggregate it into weekly. So put it date start and then date end. So I will see the date start from the January is the week start, I mean, is this one, 31 of December last year. Since the standard is the first of the week is Sunday, so I will put 2023, 12, and 31st. So 2023, 12, 31st, and then the date end, of course, on the left here, +6, since it's 7 days starting from here and then end at here, and then equal offset one day from the date and from the previous week, and then the other one only drag it, and then I will drag it until the end of the year. Wait, that's it. I've got the end of the year on here. So here I just use weekly target estimated. So I put some ifs, and then the sum range, of course, the daily target, and then comma. The criteria range is I put the date from the daily target, and then comma, open the quotes, larger than equal to the I2, and then comma, put again the date. It is, the last one is smaller equal to this one, and then I hit the enter, and then I will copy to the bottom. So that's it. It's very simple. The concept is very simple. What you have to do is just from the monthly you break down into the daily data, the time series, and then you aggregate it into the weekly. So this is your weekly target. Just for instance, this is the weekly time series from, I convert from monthly into weekly. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's a please subscribe our channel. And then if you think not really clear, you just rewind this replay this video, and then see the formula, and then you type in by yourself, play pause, and type in by yourself on your Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.